Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW BV6600E, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and after that here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open the app and tap to enable in settings. Now just near the green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher, click OK and again OK. After that, just go back to the application, tap to the switch input method and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. And now we can see that the process is finished here. And for example, we can go here into the App Store to see the new look of our new device keyboard. And as we can see, this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.